Alright, so basically, natapos natin yung small application natin. Ang kulang na lang sa kanya is local storage. So as you can see, nakakapag-submit tayo ng data tapos napupunta dito sa DOM natin. So ina-append natin siya dun sa create nating book list, no? So pinasok natin lahat ng data na yun by adding this constructor and UI constructor, which is book constructor and UI constructor. Then si UI constructor has a prototype of add book to list. Ito yung gagawin niya. Alright, then we also have clear fields na methods na kapag tinawag natin para ma-clear yung fields, which is this one. Alright, tignan nyo kapag nag-send ako, nawawala yung fields niya. No? So because of document.querySelector title is equal to value or that value is equal to an empty string. So every time na tatawagin natin si clear fields, ganito yung gagawin niya dun sa input fields natin. Alright, so pinasok natin siya dun sa add event listener. So we just created a show alert. Show alert. So yun yung kapag nag-submit tayo, may kita natin meron tayong please fill in all fields. Pero kapag nag-success naman, pupunta siya dito. Alright, so see a show alert. Then we also have delete book. So check natin delete book. Kapag delete tayo dito, nakakapag-delete tayo. Then we just add a book remove. Nilagay na rin natin siya dun sa event listener natin na listener for delete. Alright, so ito yun. And this one. Alright, so now, since naka-ECMAScript tayo na constructor and prototype, we're going to turn it into classes. Alright, so now, I'm going to create another file. No? Lagay natin dito. ES6 no? -app.js. Alright, so technically, ito yung constructor and yung old way, no? Nung pag-create ng isang object. Then, we're going to create another yung classes na. Alright, so para matutunan nyo kung paano yung classes. So right now, we're going to change this one into ES6. Tapos nakalagay app.js. So ngayon, siya na yung nakalink. So right now, kahit mag-add tayo ngayon, wala mangyayari dyan. Right. So lahat ng ginodes natin, ito turn natin into ECMAScript 6, which is classes. So ang gawin natin, instead, no, ang gawin natin is we're going to, alright, wait lang. Right, so we're going to create a class. Alright, so class, anong pangalan ng class natin? Let's see, book, siya yung constructor natin. Ito siya. Alright, so instead of doing this, ganito gagawin natin by class name na, by class. Right, then we need to add a constructor keyword followed with parenthesis and set of curly braces. So doon natin ilalagay yung title, author, and ISBN, which is this one. Right, so we have a parameter of title, right? Title, an author, and ISBN. Right, then sino yung nasa loob niya? So we also need this dot title. Alright, is equal to that parameter title. Alright, then this dot author is equal to parameter author. Alright, so paste it. And this dot ISBN is equal to that parameter ISBN. So I hope that it makes sense. So basically, ginawa lang natin is turn natin siya into classes. It's called ECMAScript 6 or ES6 classes. Alright, so instead of doing this, so parehas lang sila. Alright, so ngayon, we created that, no? So, ano pa yung kulang natin? So, we need to have a UI constructor. So, ibig sabihin, we're going to create a class of UI. Instead of doing this, ganito lang gagawin natin. So, we have a class of UI, set of curly braces. So, ngayon, yung UI natin has no property. So, this one, walang property. Pero ang meron siya is prototype. Alright? So kapag ECMAScript 6 na siya, tawag na sa kanya is method na. It's not prototype. Okay? So create tayo ng method. Ano daw pangalan ng method natin? So add book to list. Right? So add to list has one parameter. Ano daw yung parameter natin? Let's say a book. So sabi niya dito, meron tayong parameter. Ito yung add book to list natin. So make sure na tama sila. So tama naman. Right. So kung ano daw yung nasa loob ng neto, yun yung mangyayari. So let's just copy na lang din. So let's paste in. Right? So parehas lang sila. Kaiba lang is yung classes lang. Alright, so this is the, kaya nga sabi nila dun sa ECMAScript, this one is just a syntactic sugar. It's a style nung pagde-declare ng isang object. Alright, dun sa object-oriented programming. Alright, so same lang din sila. And then, of course, dun sa loob ng UI, meron pa tayong another prototype. So, ano yung another prototype natin? So, in this case, it's a show alert. Unahin muna natin si show alert. Let's grab this show alert. Paste natin siya. Lagyan natin siya ng set of parentheses and curly braces. So, ano mangyayari na sa show alert? Show alert has two parameter. So, ano yung parameter natin? Let's see. Message and class name. So, paste in natin. Tapos, ano daw mangyayari sa loob? Which is, in-explain ko na lang din. So, parehas lang din yung mangyayari. So, we're going to copy this. Hindi ko na isasama yung console. So, yan. So, same lang din. Alright. So, magsiset timeout lang din siya. Ito yung model lang natin. Alright. Then, the last one will be, another one pala. We have a delete book. Right. So, let's copy this. Instead of UI prototype, ang gagawin na lang natin, dahil naka-class base na tayo, we're going to create another constructor. Not constructor, but it's a prototype or method. So, pangalanan natin siya ng delete book. As a parenthesis and set of curly braces. Kunin lang din natin yung nasa loob na. So, dun sa delete book, we need to have a validation. Tapos, meron siyang parameter of target. So, click natin. Lagyan natin dito, target. Then, let's just add a event listen and validation. Alright, so this one is a model. And then, the last one will be a clear fields. So, yung clear fields natin. Ito, this one. So, pangalan ng clear fields. So, create tayo nun. So, clear fields. Parentheses and set of curly braces. Kapag tinawag daw siya kung nasa loob ng curly braces, yun yung mangyayari. So, ano daw mangyayari sa kanya? Ito. So, let's grab this one and paste in. Right, so technically we're done with the model. Right, so how about the event listener? So yung event listener siya yung taga-trigger natin kung ano yung mangyayari. Alright, so we're going to call everything on this. So yung event listener, kaya naka-comment siya. Ito. Alright, so let's just copy everything. Tapos tignan natin kung gagana siya. So save natin. Alright, tingnan natin kung gagana siya. So Robert 1, 2, 3. See, it's still working. Click natin this field in all fields. Click natin to. Are you sure? Yes. So book remove. Alright, so ibig sabihin by using the class, alright, so this one is just a style of coding. Importante is naintindihan nyo kung paano dine-develop yung isang logic, no? So they said that using classes like a syntactic sugar. So ano yung syntactic sugar? It's like an icing, sabi nila, sa isang cake. Importante pa rin is yung nilalaman ng cake kasi yung icing, this one is the glass is same lang din. Alright, so parang pinaganda lang yung syntax. Kaya that's why they call that syntactic sugar. So now, yung goal natin is mapunta dun yung data sa loob ng storage natin para kapag refresh natin to, mag-stay yung data natin. Alright, so ngayon, we're going to create another methods. Alright, so maybe I'm going to cut the lesson, no? Para at least yung part na yun, classes lang. Tapos yung eto naman part na to, local storage. Para hindi sila maghalo. Alright? So, sige.